Right, we're at Model Rail Scotland 2016, and here's a really great model tramway layout of O'Connell Street in Dublin. Looking towards the O'Connell Bridge with a statue of Daniel O'Connell. Now, I say Daniel O'Connell, not that excruciatingly awful Irish singer. It's Daniel O'Connell. Oh, there's even wee buses going along here. So you got tram cars go along past the GPO, which was the rebel headquarters in 1916, during the 1916 Easter Rebellion. And there is Nelson's Pillar, which was very sadly blown up by the IRA in 1966 with all the tram cars in front of it. Yep. Yeah, the trams at Nelson's Pillar, which were mentioned in James Joyce's Ulysses. There's another tram car coming along. Just look up the north end of the street. We are looking towards the Rotunda, and of course the monument to Charles Stewart Parnell. Yeah, really quite a remarkable model tramway layout. Yeah, and of course that famous picture of the GPO minus its roof after the Easter Rebellion was filmed from the viewing platform on top of Nelson's Pillar. And look, this layout's got people taking in the view of Dublin from the top of Nelson's Pillar. Tram car heading along to the south of Dublin, and across the O'Connell Bridge. Oh, there's two buses going backwards and forwards along O'Connell Street here.